First of all, job search. Job search, you have to understand that it's a two-stage process, right? So I think most of the candidates they tend to focus more on just getting ready for jobs, which is upskilling yourselves, building up the skills. But being able to pass the interview and get an offer is a skill set on its own. And we've worked with a lot of candidates who are very skilled, but they just couldn't get a job. And of course, they need to know how to write resumes, but also know how to show the confidence and experience during an interview. So storytelling skill is also very important. We're going to talk about that tonight. Okay. Um, some of you are here, maybe because you are just getting started and you're curious about the data science, job market, or how do you become a data scientist. I think many of you may have already invested time and effort in upskilling yourselves, going through boot camps, taking online courses, getting certified, by AWS or Google Cloud. Um, we've heard from many participants in the past or students, right, in our communities saying that they applied for hundreds of jobs, but they couldn't land a single interview. But I think if you're not getting interviewed, that's because of your resume.